Want to launch a passive income stream with zero inventory and zero design skills? In this video, I'll show you how to launch an AI-powered Etsy shop in under 1 hour. We're going to use ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Canva to create and sell digital planners that make money on autopilot. Let's get into it. Step 1. Pick a niche that sells. Ask ChatGPT, what are the most popular digital products selling on Etsy right now? You'll get ideas like digital planners, budget trackers, fitness journals, etc. Then ask, give me 10 niche ideas for a digital planner targeting a specific audience. You might get results like ADHD planners, mom life planners, or small business content calendars. Pick one that excites you, or that you can market. Now let's design your product cover using Midjourney. Open Discord and type something like aesthetic flat lay of a modern digital planner for moms, iPad mockup, pastel colors, minimal style. Midjourney gives you 4 images. Pick one, upscale, and save. You can also use stock photos or Canva's mockup library if needed. Head to canva.com and search Digital Planner. Choose a free template or create your own. Customize with your niche in mind. You can add weekly goals, trackers, to-do lists, or maybe meal plans. Then add your Midjourney cover to the first page. Export the whole thing as a PDF digital download. Keep it 10 to 20 pages max. Time to list it on Etsy. Go back to ChatGPT and say, write an Etsy title, product description, and 10 SEO tags for a digital ADHD planner for moms. Copy-paste the results into your Etsy listing. Upload the PDF. Set your price. $5 to $12 works great. Add 3 to 5 listings in your shop to start. Then use ChatGPT to write social captions and Canva to make Pinterest or Instagram promos. Want automation? Use Everbee to analyze competitors and use Zapier to automate email delivery if you expand. Promote once, and your shop keeps working while you sleep. You don't need to be a designer. You don't need any inventory. You just need AI tools and a plan. If you found this helpful, like and follow for more passive income strategies using AI. This is Passive AI Now, where AI works while you earn.